Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn law answers. First, focus on understanding the fundamental legal concepts and their application. Next, we will explore a structured method for dissecting legal questions and formulating comprehensive responses. This approach will help you build strong analytical skills, enabling you to confidently tackle various legal scenarios. We'll cover key strategies to enhance your legal reasoning and presentation, ensuring your answers are both accurate and persuasive. To effectively answer a legal question, begin by carefully deconstructing it. Pinpoint the precise legal issues at play. Often there are 2 or 3 main ones. Then, meticulously sift through the facts, separating the crucial details from any irrelevant information. This critical step ensures you focus your analysis on what truly matters. Finally, identify the specific legal rules and principles that directly apply to the identified issues, setting the stage for your argument. A well-structured answer is paramount. The IRAC method, issue, rule, application, conclusion, provides an excellent framework. Start by clearly stating the legal issue. Next, present the relevant legal rule, explaining its components. Then, this is crucial, apply that rule to the specific facts of the problem, showing your analytical process. Conclude with a concise answer to the issue, drawing directly from your application. This structure ensures clarity and completeness. Consistent practice is key to mastering legal answers. Dedicate time to regularly work through hypothetical legal problems, applying the structured approach we discussed. Actively seek constructive feedback on your written responses from professors or study partners. This is invaluable for improvement. Additionally, review model answers to gain insights into strong legal reasoning and persuasive writing. With diligent effort and continuous refinement, your ability to craft excellent legal answers will significantly improve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.